Bitcoin is up over 11% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has bolted past 24,000 for the first time in 2 weeks. And we have to ask ourselves the big question here. Why? What is going on? Why are so many people bullish right now on crypto? We're going to try to unpack that a little bit in this video. We did recently just get CPI data, which came out a little worse than expected, actually. Maybe that was a little bit priced in already to the overall cryptocurrency market. However, it seems like there could be some type of short squeeze that is sending prices higher right now. The percentage increase was the largest since Bitcoin jumped 10.5% back on September 2nd. The largest crypto by market cap, Bitcoin, had dropped below 21,600 at different points in recent days amid growing investor fear about crypto regulation. But that has quickly been wiped out. And this is what makes crypto and Bitcoin so special, right? Just like that, it can gain $3,000 in value. And this is a massive market cap that can move like this, right? Now, that particular regulation that caused a little bit of fear, but evidently not too much fear, was mostly surrounding the stablecoin market and about the future United States central bank steps to tame inflation. And we did get some insight there. But those concerns obviously have seemed to fade pretty quickly here as the largest crypto, Bitcoin by market cap, over 24,000. Now, data from crypto data provider CoinGlass showed that traders who bet on price shifts liquidated some 40 million of Bitcoin over the past 24 hours, from which about 37 million were short positions. So, in other words, the shorts just got wrecked. Crypto-related stocks also jumped, with both exchange Coinbase and Bitcoin miner Marathon Digital Holdings, or MARA, increasing at around 15% each as well. Business software company MicroStrategy, a major Bitcoin holder, also recently rose by about 9 or 10%. So that's what we're seeing right now. A lot of shorts being liquidated. The cryptocurrency market is enjoying some of these pumps here midweek. It'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. Appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you guys think about all this down below. But hey, market's green. I'm going to enjoy that. I think you will too. See ya.